Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could turn a simple single-column Mailchimp landing page into something a little more dynamic with multiple columns, maybe for better layout, more visual appeal, or just to fit more information side by side, then this quick tutorial is absolutely for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add columns to your Mailchimp template, making your landing page look way more professional and easier to navigate. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up your Mailchimp account and head over to your landing page templates. If you haven't used Mailchimp before, don't worry. Once you're logged in, you can find your templates pretty easily in the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Campaigns, then select Landing Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing templates. What we want to do is pick out the specific template you'd like to modify. Maybe it's one you've already built, or maybe it's one of the default options. Either works just fine for these steps. Now, once you've got your chosen template open, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. Don't rush this part. Mailchimp's interface can feel a little overwhelming at first, but with a bit of exploring, it becomes quite intuitive. On this right panel, you're going to look for a section called Settings. This is where you can adjust a lot of the structural elements of your page, things like background colors, width, and of course, the number of columns. Within the settings, you'll notice an option labeled Number of Columns. By default, most Mailchimp landing page templates start with just a single column, which can feel a bit limiting if you want to display more content in an organized way. Click on the drop-down arrow next to where it says one column. Here, you'll see the option for 2 columns. Go ahead and select that. As soon as you do, your layout will instantly adjust, splitting your content area into 2 neat sections. This is fantastic for things like featuring an image alongside text, displaying 2 products side by side, or just breaking up your content so it's not all stacked on top of each other. Now, before you move on, you'll also notice another setting related to partitioning. This setting essentially controls how those columns are divided. Think of it like adjusting the split between 2 areas of a window. Maybe you want them equal-sized, or perhaps you'd like one column to be slightly wider for a main message, and the other a bit narrower for supplementary info or an image. Play around with the partition options until you find the balance that feels right for what you're displaying. Don't worry if you're not sure what looks best straight away. You can always come back and tweak this later. It's a bit like rearranging furniture in a room. Try a few layouts and see what feels right for your guests, which in this case are your landing page visitors. And honestly, that's it. Once you're happy with your column setup and partition choices, just save your changes. You've successfully transformed your plain single-column layout into a multi-column design, making your Mailchimp landing page clearer, more engaging, and a lot more visually appealing. If you found this quick hack useful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps a ton. And if you have any questions about Mailchimp landing pages or even other marketing tips you want to see covered, just drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and effective tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck building out those awesome landing pages.